Welcome back to Home Glow Studio. Every week, we bring you fresh inspiration to elevate your living space. And today, we're solving a universal challenge, creating the perfect garden. Whether you live in a compact city apartment, a cozy suburban home, or a luxury estate, we've designed a solution just for you. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button and join our global community of decor lovers. Let's start with the urban challenge, the small apartment balcony. We've replaced cold concrete with warm wooden decking and utilized vertical wall gardens to bring in maximum greenery without losing floor space. The addition of warm fairy lights turns this spot into a magical evening escape. What do you think of this transformation? Let us know in the comments if you'd love a coffee nook like this. We added lush turf, cozy seating, and a transparent roof for year-round rain protection. Wooden lattice and steel railings ensure safety without blocking the view, while a smart misting system keeps plants fresh. At night, fairy lights create a cinematic retreat. Comment your favorite feature and subscribe to Home Glow Studio. Next, we have the small backyard. We've turned a barren patch of land into a multifunctional oasis on a budget. This design includes a safe play area for kids and even a sleek plunge pool. To keep the vibe serene, we added an automated fountain that keeps the air fresh and the plants vibrant. If you're finding these ideas helpful, don't forget to give this video a like. It really helps the channel grow. Transform your backyard into a luxury family retreat. We've combined modern lounge seating with a warm fire pit and an elegant wooden dining area. Smart irrigation keeps the vertical gardens lush, while fairy lights create a magical evening glow. Perfect for any home size. Comment your favorite detail and subscribe to Home Glow Studio for more. For those with a larger canvas, we've created a masterpiece of luxury. This tropical-inspired estate garden features majestic palms, winding stone paths, and a sophisticated outdoor lounge. We've prioritized safety with elegant steel wire railings and used an intelligent mist irrigation system to keep the foliage glistening. Are you a fan of the tropical look? Type luxury in the comments if this is your dream garden. Experience the ultimate backyard transformation. We've paired a modern fire pit with lush tropical greenery and a premium dining area to create a private resort feel. Smart irrigation keeps the garden glistening, while warm string lights set a cinematic mood for family nights. It's luxury living in any space. Comment your favorite feature and subscribe to Home Glow Studio. Finally, the rooftop garden, the ultimate urban status symbol. We've installed a transparent roof to provide rain protection without blocking the sky. By mixing artificial turf with deep-seated modern furniture, we've created a lounge that feels like a five-star hotel. It's the perfect blend of nature and city architecture. Make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss our upcoming deep dive on rooftop furniture. We turned this rooftop into a high-end sky sanctuary, featuring a transparent roof for all-weather use, lush greenery, and luxury lounge seating. It's the ultimate city escape. Overhead fairy lights and smart misting create a cinematic vibe. Comment your favorite detail and subscribe to Home Glow Studio. From tiny balconies to expansive rooftops, your home has the potential to be a sanctuary. We've poured a lot of detail into these designs to ensure every viewer finds a spark of inspiration. Now, it's your turn. Which design was your absolute favorite? Drop a comment below and tell us why. If you enjoyed this journey, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching Home Glow Studio, and we'll see you in next week's transformation.